See students, now we will solve question number 5. We have solved all the 4 questions in previous lectures. See what the 5th question says. What is the highest and the lowest resistance that can be secured by combinations of 4 coils of resistances 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 24 ohm. 4, 8, 12 and 24. If we want to get maximum resistance out of these 4 resistors, how should we connect them? And if we want to get minimum resistance, then how should we connect them? Let us solve. So the given values are, let us say R1 is given to be 4 ohms. Okay, can you see? R1 is 4 ohms. R2 is given to be 8 ohms. R3 is given to be 12 ohms. And R4 is given to be 24 ohms. And question number A says, how will you get highest resistance? So if we want to get highest resistance, we know that if resistors are connected in series, the value is added directly, and if we add the values directly, all the values will be added and we will get maximum resistance. So if we connect R1, R2, R3 and R4 in series, we will get maximum resistance, maximum resultant resistance. So the resultant resistance will be Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4, and simply we will add the values 4 ohm plus 8 ohm plus 12 ohm plus 24 ohm. And what is their sum? 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 24 is 48 ohms. So this is the maximum resistance that we can get by using these 4 resistances. Okay, now we want minimum resistance, lowest resistance. So B is lowest resistance. That was for highest resistance. If we connect, in parallel combination the resultant resistance is always less than each individual resistance. So if we connect, whenever we want to get minimum resistance, we should connect in parallel. Always remember. So if we connect R1, R2, R3 and R4 in parallel, this was Rs, we will get minimum resistance, minimum resultant resistance. See, 1 upon Rp, Rp is resultant resistance of parallel combination. It will be 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4. So it will be 1 upon 4 ohm plus 1 upon 8 ohm plus 1 upon R3 is 12 ohm plus 1 upon R4 is 24 ohm. Now in the next step we will remove the units and we will find out the LCM. So see, it is 24, we want to make this value as 24, so 4 6 are 24. So we will multiply the numerator also by 6 and denominator also by 6. This is 1 by 8. We want 24 in the denominator. We want that all denominators should be the same. So this will be 8 3s are 24. So we will multiply the numerator also. Here it is, we will do 1 into, this is 12 into 2 will be 24. So 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 24. Here we don't need to multiply because the value is already 24. Now see the further calculation. 1 upon Rp is equal to, this is 6 by 24 plus 3 by 24 plus 2 by 24 plus 1 by 24. So the denominator is the same, we will write it only once. This is 1 upon Rp and we will add the values 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11 plus 1 12. This will become 12 by 24. This is 1 upon Rp. So after solving we get 1 by 2, and if we do the reciprocal we will get Rp is equal to 2 ohms. This is the minimum resistance that we are getting. Since there was less space left there in the corner, I skipped one step and I did it directly. You will try 1 upon Rp is 1 upon 2. So Rp will be 2 ohms. Okay, if we do its reciprocal, Rp will be 2 ohms. So this is our solution. Hope you understood. This numerical question is given on page number 216. Page 216. This is in-text question. In-text question. Question number 5. Question number 5. ठीक है? Thank you very much.